Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through the process of changing your default notification sound or setting a custom notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Let's dive in. To customize your notification sound on the Galaxy A26, first open the Settings app. Next, tap on Sounds and Vibration and then select Notification Sound. At the top, you will see tabs to choose the SIM card you want to configure. Tap the desired SIM. You will now see a list of pre-installed notification tones. Tap on any tone to preview it. Once you find the one you like, simply select it. You can repeat this process for your other SIM card by selecting corresponding tab. Now, let us see how to set an MP3 file as your custom notification sound. Open the Files app. You can usually find this by going to your app drawer and opening the Samsung folder. Tap on Files. Navigate to the folder where your music files are located. In my case, it is in the Audio Files folder. Long press on the MP3 file you want to use. This will select it. You will see a check mark. Then tap Copy. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose the destination folder. Navigate to Internal Storage and then open the notification folder. Tap Copy here. To set this as your notification sound, go back to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration and select Notification Sound. Choose the relevant SIM card. Your custom MP3 file will now be listed here. Select it. Tap the back button to ensure it is applied as your notification sound. That wraps up this tutorial on how to personalize your notification sounds on the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks.